Well, we got some severe thunderstorms going on right now with lightning and rain, a lot of thunder, which means there is some lightning and some not lightning. But I do holy shoot. Everyone get into your safe places immediately. This is not a drill. Oh my God, I have to sound the alarm. Everyone get to your safe places. Lightning is striking trees and everything around my area. Everyone get into your safe areas immediately. I repeat, get to your safe places immediately. And Wark Davis Vandenberg, get to your safe places immediately. This is not a